Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Want to come to you real quick, guys, and show you another marketing tip that you can use for any business, okay? Doesn't matter what it is, but I'm using this for Press One Cash, and I'm going to be using it for Abundance Network, okay? Sticky notes, guys. You see these? I had these printed up a while back for my Press One Cash business, okay? Which is an SMS software, okay? I'm going to put the link below and you can dial this number to check it out for yourself, okay? An automated system, but another way to market very low budget sticky notes, okay? You see these? When I'm out, okay, I don't go out to promote, but when I am out living my life, going to the gas station, going to the cleaners, things that I do regularly, I take these sticky notes. They're always, you know, in my purse. And I will take these and I will stick them. For an example, going to get some gas. I can stick these at the gas pump. You can stick these at the ATM machines, okay? So at any rate, sticky notes, okay? So if you're in Press One Cash or looking to join me in Press One Cash or Abundance Network, this is one of the things that I'm telling you you can do. That's very reasonable and everybody can do this, okay? You can buy these sticky notes very, very cheap. And as you can see behind the sticky notes, I have a simple postcard, okay? Simple sales, okay? I do a lot of testing. I test the basic postcards. Then I test the ones with my picture on it, okay? Those type of things. But I keep them simple, guys. So something just this simple. Advertising this phone number, putting it on a postcard, mailing it out, okay? And on the back, I have my return address label, okay, so that I'll know if these leads are working or not. But sticky notes, guys, so I'm going to put the link below. Join me in Press One Cash, okay? It is a texting platform, okay, in which you're going to advertise a phone number, okay? Advertise your phone number. When someone dials the number, they hear a pre-recorded message. It's already set up. You don't have to do anything. Okay? When they press 1, they're going to get my Press One website. Now, you can promote any business you want with this. That's the thing about it. Whatever you want people to go to, you can put that in your back office. Okay? I just so happen to have it going to my Press One. So you dial that number, press 1, get the details. And the video does all the selling and telling. And you make $200, guys, every time someone buys the Press One Cash system. And they can pay you any way you want to get paid. Okay? Cash App, Stripe, however you want to receive your money, you can get paid. And that's $200 a pop. Okay? And this one is a one-up. Okay? The comp plan. So your first sale will pass up. Okay? And then thereafter, all your sales you keep. Okay? And we have ads that you can copy. You can do Craigslist ads with this. So we have everything you need to get started in this Press One business, okay? And I got some specials that I'm going to give to people that join me. Some special bonuses. So definitely go ahead and click that link below. Dial this number, okay? Actually, you can just dial the number. It's going to take you where you need to go, okay? And then go through the system. Get you in touch. Get you with these sticky notes, okay? So you can do these sticky notes too, all right? And you can get your business out there, guys, okay? So subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Press One Cash, okay? Let's go, guys. See you on the inside. Have a blessed day.